3 reasons your Fiverr profile isn't getting clicks. If you've been sitting on Fiverr for weeks with no clicks, let me save you some time. There are 3 reasons people scroll right past your gig. The first reason is your image isn't saying anything. If it looks like everybody else's image, it gets treated like everybody else's image. So make it clear, make it stand out, no clutter. Second, you aren't using an image at all. People need to hear you, but they want to see you. Seeing your images, watching your intro video, and hearing your demos at the same time builds trust with your potential clients, especially in a sea of faceless sellers. Third, you're overcomplicating your offer. One gig should do one job. If you're offering an explainer voiceover, podcast intro voiceover, and cartoon characters all in one, it's a bit of a mess, so break it up. Fix those and buyers will finally know what you do, why you're good at it, and why they should even care. If you need help standing out on a crowded platform, contact me to set up a consultation and freelance profile assessment. Peace.